Do you want a efficient and fast trading system that allows you to find and enter positions in Forex trading in less than 90 seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you how. So the first things first, I've got 3 indicators on the chart. First one is 2 of them in theory. We have one Alma, which is set to 13, and the other one is set to 50. All that's doing is giving you this nice little ribbon. It's a little bit better than a standard pair of moving averages, but you can probably use a standard pair if you absolutely need to. Then the last indicator is the TSI, which is known as the True Strength Indicator. Default settings 25, 13, 13. And all we have to do is line up when you have your 2 moving averages cross over, as well as your TSI crossing over. So you can see that right here we would have had a trade just here that would be currently running. You would have also had a buy just in through here, a buy in through here was not possible, but there was a good one in through here. How do we use it? We're going to run through and we're going to quickly find a trade. So there's nothing on this, it's a bit late, that needs to go because it was for another thing. And we'll continue through, nothing here, it's a bit late, again still late. This one we've had movement, so it is a bit late. If we were at the end of this candle, then yes, I probably would have taken it. However, we're a few candles late at this point. Again, same here and here. ETH has been moving, and you can see that on most pairs everything has been moving somewhat linearly. We have just had a crossover here, so we can look at taking this one. If we were to do so, we would be placing just around the current price. Set a stop loss just above the previous price action, so that would be just above here. We're going to set our take profit. Safest take profit would probably be 1.5 to 1 if you're just setting one fixed take profit. However, I will be setting 2 trades, one with a 1-to-1 take profit and then another one which I will be leaving open. So I'm just going to stretch this out just so we can get a rough idea. I'll probably end up closing somewhere around here when it gets there. So we found our trade. We can see how wide our stop loss is. It's 20.3 pips. So we're going to go into this position size calculator. All you have to do is Google position size calculator, and it is the first one that comes up. The pair was Euro CAD, and then I've set my risk ratio to 0.2%. It's normally where I trade prop firms at. If I'm taking a split trade on a prop firm, I'd even do it to 0.1, but we're just going to put 0.2 for now. Our stop loss size was 20.3 pips. It's going to grab us our lot size. So in this case, I'm going to be placing 2 0.04 lots. So I'm going to come into MetaTrader on my phone, and I will go, EuroCAD is not on my list, so I'm going to quickly add EuroCAD. And now we can go trade EuroCAD, and then we're going to place 2 0.04s. And our stop loss is at, let's just move out the way, at 1.43919, and then my take profit for the 1-to-1 is going to be at about there, which is 434.99, 499. And we have one successful trade, and I'm going to place another one again just with the same stop. I need to move this out of the way. 1.43919, and done and done. So now I have within 30 seconds 2 trades running. Obviously they're red now because we've got the swap fees and spread, but we have found a trade in under 90 seconds and placed it. The next thing is, would you find anything else? You could, in theory, probably place this. It hasn't moved really since the cross. In fact, it came up and back down again, and this is pointing downwards, so we could, in theory, take this. Again, stop loss above the previous high. Now, you could argue it's this wick just here, but I'm going to say the wider one, because that's going to make our lives easier. And then again, I'll set this at 1-to-1. It's going to be a bit easier. So our stop loss is at 14.1 pips, and we're going to jump over to our position size calculator, and we're going to go Euro GBP, and it's 14.1 pips, so we can place an 0.03. So we're just going to open our phones, find Euro GBP, which I need to add, Euro GBP, click trade, and 0.03, and our stop loss is at 0.88254. The take profit is at 0.87967, and we're going to click short, and that's that placed. And then I'm going to put my open TP one again with the same stop loss of 0.88254, same lot size, and now you can see that we have 2 rounds of trades, 2 Euro GBP and 2 Euro CAD ones, and then we'll just leave those running. And that's how you can trade in under 90 seconds. Now, the way that you would do this if you are in a time crunch is you'll come during your normal session, or if you have a 5-minute gap in your day, you just come in, check all the way through all your pairs, see what's on your list to trade. So right now, you could in theory play GBP CAD probably, because that did cross through, but the TSI isn't there yet, so you might have a GBP CAD trade in 5 hours, but not right now. And again with other pairs, but every so often throughout your day you would just check, find something, place it, check, find something, place it. It's designed to be comfortable for you to fit in and around your workday, and with minimal effort and stress. This is why I like methods like this. You can't do this with technical analysis. You always have to spend time drawing on your charts, putting levels and zones. This lets you just go and find a trade, find a trade, find a trade, find a trade, and that's important. So in the next video, you will see, if you click the link, which is going to be that way, the next link to another video will be another method, which again you can enter and exit really quickly, and that one will have provable data too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.